Hi, boys and girls. In this video, we're going to go over the answers to the Thursday word problem of the day for Thursday, May 7th. First of all, we'll go ahead and read it out loud, and then we'll come up with an answer sentence. Jaden threw 16 pitches in the first inning of a baseball game. Of the pitches he threw, 3/4 of them were strikes. How many strikes did he throw in the first inning? Oh, yeah, this is definitely a throwback Thursday one. We've done this one before. Actually, I think more than one time. So let's go back and take a look at our answer sentence we need. How many strikes did he throw in the first inning? We can change that into an answer sentence. He threw, make sure I spell everything correctly. So we definitely want he or Jaden. He threw blank strikes in the first inning. Make sure that you have the word strikes and first inning in there. That's important. And he or Jaden and through in your answer sentence. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to make a unit bar with this one. It's going to be about Jaden. And it is going to be about Jaden's strikes. All right, we'll go ahead and we can even say it, Jaden strikes in the first inning, but just Jaden strikes is fine. What I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and since it's just about Jaden and only his strikes, I'm going to go ahead and make one unit bar. And then we'll go ahead and read the words. Jaden threw 16 pitches in the first inning of the baseball game. Okay, I know that those 16 pitches are all the pitches that he did. So what I'll do is I'll put, oh, you know what? I just realized something. Since we're talking about pitches, this really isn't just Jaden strikes. I should adapt my unit bar title and just call it Jaden's pitches. I think that makes more sense. So what we'll do is now I'll go read it again. He threw 16 pitches, and that's the total number of pitches. So that'll be 16. And I think that's it for everything. I don't need the rest of the words. Of the pitches he threw, comma. That means that the next part is going to be a fraction. So of the pitches he threw, 3/4 of them were strikes. So what I'll do to show 3/4 is I'm going to divide this unit bar into 4 equal pieces. When I do that, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3/4 of those pitches, Jaden threw strikes. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that off as 3/4 were strikes. So what I'm doing here is I've got 3/4 of the pitches were strikes. The question is, how many strikes did he throw in the first inning? And I've got that question mark right there. So what I'll do is I'm going to do an expression. Well, I see that I want to find out what 3/4 of 16. 3/4 of 16. And as you remember, of can also mean multiplication. So we'll say 3/4 multiplied by 16 will give me a question mark. And I'm going to put that question mark here. Basically, 3/4 of all the strikes is what I want to find out. What is that? Here's how we'll solve it. I'm going to multiply 3/4 and I'm going to multiply it by 16. I can't multiply a whole number without turning it into a fraction. So I'll turn 16 into an improper fraction, which I'll multiply across like this. 3 times 16 is 48. 4 times 1 equals 4. Now I've got an improper fraction of 48 over 4, which is 48 divided by 4, which I know is 12. So now I know that Jaden threw, or he threw, 12 strikes in the first inning. All right, boys and girls, there's the answers to the Thursday word problem of the day. Make sure you go ahead and save this paper as you might need it for your cheat sheet for today's word problem of the day test. Thanks for checking your word problem today, boys and girls. Bye-bye.